Maintaining marble is not that bad. Maintenance, what a scary word. People are terrified of tile maintenance. You come in the store and you find a tile you love, find out it's natural stone and that it has to be maintained, so you promptly throw it out the window and you start all over. Only problem is maintaining natural stone is not that bad. Number 1, you gotta seal it. Seal, another scary word. Most sealers are super easy to use and quick too. They only take a few minutes. We recommend you seal your stone once a year, but with how quick the process is, you won't even notice it. Why do I have to seal it? Natural stone is more porous than other materials, which means if it's not properly maintained, it could stain or etch. But if you take the short and easy time to seal it, you'll be fine. Number 2, well, that's 4, it's okay. Number 2, don't use cleaning products with acid or ammonia in them. These products strip natural stone of their sealers, leaving it exposed. So no more bleach or Windex. And that's pretty much it. That's it. Like, you can leave now. That's all I have to say. All right, bye.